The items.
That one's going jet off. You welding it to the front?
Yeah. I'll weld it on the back, I don't mind.
6. 5 minutes. Five and a half.
I like it. It's fantastic, isn't it, that?
Pretty. Smile.
That's my line, get off. But mine's like here, the nose is there.
Well off, son.
Trying to get a line, mate. That's not going to look good in HD, that is it? Oh, yeah. I love it when you make me squeal like that. I just love the stance.
I don't think so.
Well, I don't have to dig the welder all the way out. I just want to see how the hell you're going to sit there. Go on, stretch. What's the paint work on the decent this way? Oh, fucking, he just doesn't give a fuck, does he? Yes. How many of these fuckers do you want? The unicorn horn.
What's your landing?
Sorry, mother. Are you in? Can you reach? Oh, that looked like it hurt.
He smiled though.
You look like Liam when he gets in his disco now.
There you go, we're done.
Why am I welding deep? Range your seats in then. Are you right there? Can you reach?
I feel like Liam, but I'm alright.
Hiya, Mum.
The base? The base?
The base?
Yeah.
With you, my first car. I got it. Mind my toes. I ain't got steel toe cap toenails. You got something I need.
Straight from Bugout. Okay, we're sat in that all the time.
Day 2 in the big Liam's house.
Oh yeah. Look at the concentration level on that face.
How does Kay resist that?
He doesn't.
Oh! Did you notice he didn't take half an hour to get through his all?
Yeah, so he doesn't
It's all about the penetration. Like. He's not scared about having kids. He just penetrates.
I don't need it.
It's there. It's to now. Bugout North Wales, sponsored by receding hairlines. And then the old man just turns up like a seasoned professional. Who was missing a few strands. Yeah. Wipe it down. If it's going to be hot, I don't want to touch it. That's my brew. Stop drinking it. All about that girl. I'm coming round. Have I done it well?
I'm waiting.
Holding the top.
Seems to be pretty much Bob.
What's this now?
I'm not sure about that yet.
Educational experience. Look, you got a car like a woman now, lad. Just crud everywhere. You're holding the wrong car. It's this one.
Yeah, I'm going to empty it all out, I think. This evening. Empty the fridge and things.
Have you got rid of your smelly underwear out that cupboard?
Yeah. Well,
Ooh. Don't want to. damage a nail.
Yeah, don't want to hurt rip fingers.
Oh, this is true.
You've already fucking cut yourself open in a fun shop and fucking this goes this
What's
week.
your language?
I know, yeah.
Sorry, Mr. Businessman.
Exactly.
Enjoy, lads.
Don't mind me. Yeah, that's fine. Don't you want me? Nice!
Yeah, you can weld all the way across on this one, can't we?
Yeah. Just make sure you actually weld it properly, because, you know, that's Kay's change. You don't want to go through the window. God help us, then we'd have to listen to her moan.
Oh, spread the prettiness.
I was trying to, like, make it look so you were less bold.
Oh no, I think I'm wrong actually.
Oh, no. Oh, don't worry about that excess wire. Fine.
Stop touching my hair. There's nothing left of it.
I stressed that from all this welding.
What? No, it's dangerous.
Is that what you're blaming, is it?
Yeah.
What's Tom's excuse then?
He's fucking got hair, he's like Paul fucking Walker. Mr. Footboy out of it.
The Welsh Paul Walker, who drives like Mr. Slow.
Captain Slow Welding.
Put the seat down! That's fine.
Oh.
Mine's not hot. You're not here for this job,
Fuck off, it is wrong.
No wonder he wants me to weld everything.
We got any gas?
Yeah, don't you be blaming the gas. Is he practicing for the off-roading, man? Don't worry, if it breaks, I'll re-weld it for you. I'll re-weld it. Oh, look at that seat. Yeah.
Yeah, be right.
Don't you worry about that classic Range Rover fabric. Oh, the arm of your chair won't go down. Oh, do you know what the best bit is? You know when I get in this? I can put your seat further back. Because not all of us. Yeah, because they're a smaller seat. Yeah. Yeah. It's because they got a fat boy armrest. If them welds breaks, bring them round. I'll weld them back up. I'll move your originals. What do you mean you're not straighten all the way? Why not?
Need to make sure the back line.
Do you know what you're doing?
Look like I know what I'm doing.
I'm just an editor now. That's it. I've handed the torch to Liam, as the welders would say. My apprentice. The student becomes the master. Yeah, it is. 2 guys, 1 welder. He's even got 2 seatbelt plug-in bits just in case he gets lost. You know, because anybody who's done this before would have known to take the seatbelt part out, but not us.
That's a fucking good show, right? I'd stop bolting that in and remove the seatbelt off that side.
No, I'll remove this one. I'll move that way.
They're original ones.
All about that originality, you know. The boot belt, that's all original. Off people. Yes. So you get the welder, and I'll grip this, as tight as I can, and you tap it. Christ! Thought you were a bed seller. What are you talking about? Right, swirl it. Fill that gap, swirl it. Right. Up. Yes. A damp cloth would be lovely. Or something that's mildly moist.
12 wide, 20 wide, 24 long. He knows he needs to do. pre-bend it to suit the fit.
Yeah, that'll fit.
It is
Oh,
pre-bent.
But I guess the cone.
You put it.
You ask the salesman to do a mechanical job here, you get what you're given.
Vice gay.
You're gay.
Like it.
Come on, JCB.
Oh, we weld it. Alright, I'm coming to weld. You're happy, Tom? You Range Rover seats. Well, I can see shit from this side, but I'll go round. Go.
A little bit too tall at the minute.
It should drop back down, shouldn't it? Same as this one.
Oh, I'll have to sit in it after. Yeah,
One sexy repair panel.
Nice, round it. How's it looking? Looks good in here. Let me come round. Oh, nice.
We are pros.
Not bad for a bit of backyard engineering. Well, front yard engineering here. That's good, that bit, Tim. Hello, Tom. I'm watching you. It's tall out. I need that six. I need that height. You do? We were saying before that you need that. That turning circle out. Look how tall it is. It's going to blow over. I think if looking at the skies, it should blow over. We got the last little bit to do. Not a bad day, to be fair. Got a bit more done on yours. Got Tom's done. Yeah, we'll get that done. Just put that last panel on. Swap your tyres back over. Put your seat back in. Proper job. There's nothing worse than welding shit metal upside down. Upside down. On the floor in the air. Holding somebody else's helmet.
Oh, he likes holding the helmet, yo.
The full wrestling is what you need, lad. You need smart racing, smart racing, smart racing.
I think that needs knocking up now.
Solid. I've got to pass its head on through. Oh, solid. Hit that. Go hole. Not bad. Put a bit of guard I thought you were trying to eat that then. That's us done for the day. Well, hopefully it's not been too boring for you to watch the last 2 days, but that's Liam's bus done and Tom's bus done. Ready to play in the snow next weekend. Cheers for watching. Goodbye.